Hello, today I'm going to be threading this leatherworking awl with this thread when I don't have any hands. Little butthead. Gotcha. Don't stab yourself is the main objective here. Oh yeah, probably need my glasses to see because I'm old. You'll be there one day. I'll sharpen the needle over here, huh? Yeah, whatever. Rabbit goes in the hole. No. Real talk, you know who taught me how to tie my shoes? It was Mr. Rogers. This guy's in there. Does not look fun. Look at that. I did it. Bet you didn't think I could. I didn't. I'll be honest. I'll be honest. You can't see that, can you? Here, we'll do that again, just for you. Maybe. You might. You might, Rabbit, you might. I did it. Okay. Come here, you butthead. What? My favorite part, threading the needle. It's not. It's really. There you go. Butts. There's the hole. You ready? Let's do this. Where are you? Me. Now I can see it. Mm-hmm. Should probably put that stupid thing on, huh? So it's the part I hate. I know, you'd think I hated thread and needle, but this is really the biggest pain in the butt. Well, it's all a pain in the butt when you don't have hands, but you know what? I do what I can. This jerk. No. There you go, buddy. And there you have it. It's threaded. What? I know. That was crazy. If I could do it, you could do it. You can do anything you want. Just got to put your mind to it. So please hit that like and subscribe button. Help a brother out. Thanks.